Alright, so check this out, over $257.99 in a single day. Yesterday, $16.44. Let me show you another one of my accounts. Today, so far, $24.50, but yesterday, over $215 in a single day. And let me refresh these stats so you can see this is actually real, and check this out. It stays there. I actually made some money, so $72.50 today. We got it on the video. That's super cool. So let me ask you a quick question. Would you like to know how I made over $250 in a single day using a very simple method? Well, if you said yes, then congratulations, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make over $250 in a single day in less than 24 hours from right now using a very simple method that requires absolutely no investment. You don't have to pay anything to get started, and all you have to do is just watch this video from beginning to the end, because everything that you really need to know I'm going to show you in this video. So if you don't have 10 minutes to watch this entire video, please hit the X button right now, because you are not going to learn this method. But if you have 10 minutes to actually go through this video, I'm going to reveal to you exactly how I was able to make this amount of money and how you can get started generating your first commissions online in less than 24 hours from right now. Now, before we actually get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Also, if you'd like to get my #1 recommendation to make over $300 per day online, click on the first link in the description to get started for free. Okay, so let me save you some time and let's go through the requirements that you will need to have in order to be able to make money with this method. So there are 3 requirements, and the first one is going to be you need to have your own. Okay, so this is going to be the account that we are going to be using to actually make money. Don't worry if you don't have one already. I'm going to show you how to create one in this video. Then step number 2, what you will need to have is a laptop or PC or Wi-Fi connection. So if you're watching this video right now, you most likely already have these. So you either have a laptop or a PC that you're watching this video on right now, and without a Wi-Fi connection, you wouldn't be able to actually watch this video. So this is going to be most likely all right. However, if you are watching this in a library and you don't have a Wi-Fi connection at home, then please make sure to get some kind of Wi-Fi connection. And then step number 3 is going to be you need to have at least 10 minutes to watch this video from beginning to the end to actually learn how to implement this method. If you don't have 10 minutes, as I said, to watch this video, then go ahead, watch some funny video, but that's not going to make you money, okay? If you have 10 minutes, then don't skip any part of this video. Sit back, relax, because right now I'm going to show you step by step on how to actually make the money, okay? So I'm not going to hold anything back. I will walk you through. Just promise me you're not going to skip a single part of this video. Okay, so the step 1 is going to be to create your money account. This account is going to actually generate you money. So that's the step number 1. If you have one already, you can skip this step. If you don't have one already, just follow what I'm going to show you. So head over to clickbank.com. If you don't know this website already, go to Google and search for clickbank.com. Click on the first link right here. You will come to this page. Then if you have an account already, go to the login. If you don't have an account already, on the top right, click on the blue button that says sign up. Then fill out the details. It's 100% free to join, and fill out your country, fill out your first name, fill out your last name, enter your phone number, enter your email address, enter your password, continue to terms and conditions, read them, and click on join Clickbank. All fields are mandatory. Now make sure that you're going to enter real details, because this is actually the website that is going to generate you money. So it's in your best interest to fill in real details. So when it actually comes to them sending you money, they are going to send it to you. They are going to send it to a real person. And when they ask for some kind of verification, in rare cases, you can actually provide it, because you are going to fill in real details. Some people actually make mistake when they are inputting their details right here. They input some fake details as if they don't really actually count on making money at all. So don't make this mistake. please enter your real details, so when you create your own account, you can actually get paid, because this is essentially as if you were creating your bank account. You want to enter your real email, your real first name, your real last name, so when you are going to get paid, they are going to pay it to a real person. Then go ahead and click on join Clickbank and you will get your money making account created. Okay, so now step number 2, you want to log into your Clickbank account, navigate to your dashboard, and if you want to get the results just like this, just continue following this video. On the top right corner, there's going to be marketplace. You want to click there and you want to visit the marketplace. Now, what you need to do in this section is you want to pick up a product that we are going to be promoting in order to generate commissions. Now, don't worry, you don't have to do this alone. Just follow exactly what I'm going to do and you are going to be good. So on the right, on the left hand side, click on health and fitness. This is what we are going to be using, and click on popularity or gravity right here. And as you can see right here, this is the top product that we want to be promoting. It's called Proven. The biggest blockbuster of 2020 is Proven huge EPCs. Don't miss out on this blockbuster, insane conversions on cold traffic. Affiliate page, getproven.net/affiliates. What you want to do is on the right hand side, click on promote. Then you want to click on generate hop links, and this is going to be your money link. Okay, so this is the step number 2. This is going to be your money link. You want to save this somewhere, open a notepad. That's what I'm going to do right now. Open a notepad. I'm going to paste it right there, and this is going to be our money link that we need to keep for the next steps. Okay, so now we have our money link already, and now let's go to the step number 3. Step number 3 is actually going to be getting traffic to your money link so you can start generating commissions as soon as possible. Now, for most people, this is the hardest part, but what I'm going to show you in this video is extremely easy and fast way of getting traffic to your link so you can start generating sales within a couple of hours. What I'm going to show you first is how to get the traffic, and then after that I will show you a little hack on how to actually get the traffic for free. So if you are scared that you need to pay for something, don't worry, all the traffic generation part is going to be for free. And if you already made it to this part of this video, please do not give up. You are very, very close to actually making your money. So right now, head over to bingads.com or Microsoft Ads. If you don't know what it is, just go to Google and search for Bing Ads and then click on first link that is going to show up. You're going to land on this website where you need to create a free account. So head over to sign up right now on the left hand side, this button, on the top right hand side, this button right here. So click there, sign up right now. Then you need to create your free Microsoft account. If you are using a Windows already, you are going to have your Microsoft account created. If you are done using Windows or you want to create a brand new account, just enter your email address right here and go through the sign up process. So it's going to ask for your email address. You enter that right here, then you click on the next. Then you need to enter your password. So you enter a very strong password, then you click on the next. Then you need to enter your first name and your last name. Also, please enter your real details because this is a real network that is going to deliver us traffic. So we want to make this as foolproof as possible. We don't want any hassle, we don't want any problems. So just enter your real details. Then enter your birth date and also enter your country and region so you can continue to the next page. And then you need to verify your email. So make sure you are going to enter your real email address. They are going to send you a verification code. Go to your email address, click on the verification code, and then you can complete the sign up process. Your verification email is going to look something like this. I'm obviously going to blur out the details, but this is what you want to be looking out for. So Microsoft account security code, Microsoft account security code. Please use this following security code for the Microsoft account. This is going to be your email address that you're going to enter, and your security code is going to be right here. If you don't recognize the email, blah, blah, blah. So just enter this security code into the sign up process, and that's how you actually finish the registration and how you can actually sign into your Bing Ads dashboard. Okay, so now you're going to sign into your Microsoft Ads account. It's going to look something like this, most likely without any of the numbers. Now, don't worry if this sounds or looks confusing. I'm going to just follow you. I'm going to just walk you through the entire process of setting up an ad campaign, and then I'm going to show you how to get it actually for completely free, so you don't have to spend a single cent on traffic, and you can just enjoy the commissions that you are going to generate. So the step number one, on the left hand side, go to campaigns. Now we want to create a new campaign right here. Then we want to click on visits to my website. And now let me actually slow down and walk you through the entire process. If you are a complete beginner, don't worry, you don't have to watch this video multiple times. If you are an advanced marketer and you think that I'm going very slowly through the setup process, I have a good news for you. That means you are just smart. Okay, so let me go you and walk you through the process. So campaign name, this is want to enter your campaign name that we are going to be using. So let me add something like Eric Taggy video test. Now, campaign budget, you want to set it up at $20 per day. Now, don't worry, you are not going to be paying $20 per day from your credit card or from anywhere at all. I'm going to show you how to actually get this advertising budget completely for free. Then you want to click on location and you want to select the United States right here. Then who should see your ads? People in your targeted locations. Yes, we want these people searching for or viewing pages about your targeted locations. We don't want these people, okay? Then we want to select English language and you want to click on the save and go to the next step. So quick recap, campaign name, $20 per day, United States, people in your targeted locations, English, and save and go to the next step. Then ad groups and keywords. Now, great part about this, I'm going to supply you everything at the end of this video. So what I'm going to paste right here is available for you completely for free at the end of this video as a bonus. So if you know anything about keywords, you don't have to do any research at all. I'm going to supply you everything that you need to paste in these groups. So what I'm going to paste right here is available to you at the end of this video. So you want to click on my website is not ready, then add group name. Let's put there something like healthy keywords. Then you want to go to this website that I'm going to give you at the end of this video. You want to scroll down, click on the row, paste data, select all, and these are going to be your money-making keywords that are going to get you the most traffic for free. Then you scroll down, don't do anything at all, and click on save and go to the next step. Now, what you want to do is click on create ad, and now we are going to create our free advertisement. Also, don't worry, I will show you the exact one that you need to create. So the final URL is something that you need to paste right here, and that's going to be flat belly in 21 days. Now, title part 2, melt 84 pounds of belly fat fast. Now, title part 3, check this out. So this is our ad so far. Now we just scroll down and there's going to be ad text 1. That is going to be, check out this 21-day flat belly morning ritual that leads to amazing results. Now don't worry, you don't have to pause this video and rewrite this yourself. I'm going to give you an entire copy at the end of this video. Now right now, just please and pay attention to the process. You want to scroll down, don't check out the ad text, don't check out anything, and click on add URL options right here and click on add tracking template. This is very important. So what you want to do is this is where you want to paste your money link from our step number 1 and 2. So you want to paste your money link just right here. You want to paste it right here and click on test. It's going to say landing page found. It's going to say this green check mark, and that means this is already right to go. So this is exactly what you need to do. If you actually went to this step, it's going to work for you. Now you just click on save. You scroll down and you click on save and go to the next step. You want to leave the individual budget at $20 per day. You want to use the bid strategy, enhanced CPC. You want to select manual, use the bid I set. This is very important, so please don't skip ahead again. So manual, use the bid I set. Then you want to use a bid of only 30 cents per click. and it's going to show you are going to get around 1,960 clicks per month, which is going to make you a couple $100 on Clickbank. Then that's all you really want to do. Then just go ahead and click on save right here. Save, and now your campaign is going to be ready. Now your campaign is ready, and in the usual scenario you would actually have to pay for the ad spend that your campaign is going to spend, okay? But as I said, you don't have to pay for this ad spend. I'm going to show you exactly how to actually get somebody else to pay for this exact ad spend right here. So I'm going to pause the campaign right here. If you want to pause it, this is how you do it. You click on the green little dot right here. Instead of enabled, you click on paused, and now your campaign is paused. But you don't want to pause it, you want to get free ad spend, and this is exactly how you get 100% free advertising credit. Okay, so now the last step is on how to actually get $100 for free advertising credit. So whatever you're going to spend on your Microsoft Ads account, you are actually not going to pay from your own pocket. So what you want to do is on the top right hand side, you want to go to the help section right here, and at the bottom right here you can see start a live chat. You want to click there, and a brand new live chat with a real person is going to open up. And now here's exactly what you need to tell these people in order to get $100 for free. So you want to tell them, hi, my name is, and you want to put in your real name, so the name that you use when you are creating your ad account. Then you want to tell them, I'm a brand new advertiser and I've noticed you are offering $100 promotional vouchers. I already created my account. Could you please tell me how can I redeem this offer? Thanks. Now, what they are going to do is they are going to check up your account, and they are going to verify if your name is going to match the name that you entered when you were registering your account. They are also going to check out some details. They are going to check out if you are actually created a campaign already, and if everything is alright, if you've done it just as I showed you in this video tutorial, they are going to send you and credit you with $100 that you can use on free Microsoft Ads. That means you can run a campaign just like this for the next 5 days, because 5 times 20 is $100 completely for free, and whatever you're going to generate in commissions is going to be 100% profit, and that's how you can make money pretty much within 24 hours, because you can start generating your first sales in as soon as couple of hours since the campaign is going to get started. And for the next 5 days, this is on 100% autopilot because the campaign is already created. You are already paying for it from the promotional credits, and you don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is just go to your JVZoo account or go to your Clickbank account just like this, and you want to refresh your stats. So let's check out JVZoo once again if we generated any more sales at the end of this video, and I hope it's going to get us something. All right, we just got some new visitors, but that's all right. This is exactly how you actually generate over $250 per day with Clickbank, because these campaigns are very, very powerful, and the keywords that I'm going to give you are the exact keywords that people are using when they want to lose weight. So if they are checking out for these keywords, if they are searching for these specific words, they want to lose weight, and if you send them to a digital product that's going to show them how to lose weight, they are most likely going to purchase it, and you will receive a commission. So thanks very, very much for checking out this video. Hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the like button as well. It's going to help me big time, and I'm going to see you in the next video.